Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta and the Bitcoin 100K realistic plan. So before we talk about the Theta price and Bitcoin price, I want to share you the Fed master backs half point rate hikes in the June and July. Means that in the May, June, and somewhere in July there's gonna be another price. Okay, remember this is the reason why we are crashed. The interest rate, United States interest rate increased in the last 4 years. It is the highest in the last 4 years. The last time we have in here. Now we have again in here. Okay. And the question is that in here for the theta, following the chart about the discussion about the United States interest, we find that this is the falling wedge data, and in here we broke from the falling wedge. We have rejected in here 4 times, and we in here also 3 times, 4 times in here we are going up in the raising wedge. I mean in the falling wedge, but we are rejected. Now it's not any longer about the falling wedge, but it's about the downtrend parallel line. And now we already hit this one, so same like what happened in the May in here, the bad May. After 1 year, the theta still going down. And the question is that can we go up? Okay. After we hit in here last week, we have a pump in here. But the question is that can we just going up, or maybe after each pump we are still going down, down, down like this one. After we are going down, we pump in here, we red, we still red, we going to green. After 1 week green, we are still going to red. That's why for me, even if the price is going to up, maybe the theta gonna hit retesting in here. So retesting $2, $2.2. After that, we are still rejecting. It's still possible. So if nobody knows, but for me, the price still going down. Maybe somewhere around the June, July, we can go up again. Or maybe just like after hit this one, we have small this one around in July, we are can go up. It's still possible. But the problem is if you buy the dip in here, it's not. If you want to buy the dip, whatever the price you buy exactly at this line. This is the dip somewhere around here. Okay? And but don't worry because the theta still have to run because why? Okay, the Bitcoin look, the Bitcoin, the long journey Bitcoin. The long journey Bitcoin that I have in here, look, every time that the Bitcoin hit the bottom in here, 2018, 2020, and also 2022. So 2 plus 2 and the plus 2. Okay. And the bottom in here, we find the bottom, and then we have another Quran. So if you draw like this one, so you're gonna get by 2023, we have 100K Bitcoin. That's why like the deep flying, the deep flying. That's why we are waiting around in here. So you need to be chill. Why? Look, the rest, the MACD is still in red after red, pink, green, and red again. And also about the Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq. Okay, look, the Bitcoin always going up if you compare to Nasdaq. But the question is, we always retest this orange. I mean the purple. After we are retesting the purple line in here, in here, in here, in here. So the question is, 2021 we just retest the red line. Now we already broke the red line. We already broke the red line that we ever hold as a support. If we cannot hold this red line, the next plan is we are going to purple line. After we hit the purple line, or maybe we have the big pump in here. Hit purple line, big pump, and then going down again. That's why after we hit the purple line, I believe there is one more pump going down sideways and flying again. Or maybe by the worst scenario, we are hitting the green one. This is the Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq. So remember, The nasdaq still in the bearish. We don't know whether the next week maybe the pump is still possible, but the question is that this is the bad news. Okay, the hike rates in June and July is the bad news. We never know when it's a crash, but they're gonna be. The people said that we are back to bullish in the Q2 or maybe in the Q3 we are back to bullish. It's okay. They are just the moon boy. The people who said that 100K Bitcoin by 2021, but 2021 is not. Same also 2022. 100K is not. Why? Because in 2022 we find a bottom and then we fly again. 2023 we're gonna hit 100K. That's the realistic plan. And following this one, so the theta still the same. How come you want theta going to higher if the Bitcoin still going down to find the bottom? To find the bottom is not the fast time. Look, even in the short period, we have the Bitcoin pump by 23%. After this one, Bitcoin 2000 in December increased 23%. After 20%, retest again going up. Even in here, another crash due to COVID. Now, look, the question is that we already have eight red in row in the weekly candle. It's still possible we are still going up just to retest in here maybe. The best scenario is 36. 36 you cannot going up, you still going to falling wedge and back again, or maybe you just crash going to down because you know that this is the decision. We can still break this up, but it's up to you. I'm still waiting because I believe in the next 1 month or the next 2 months there's gonna be another crash. Okay, even if that we have eight red in row, maybe next week we can have one candle green or two candle green in the next 2 weeks. But remember that we are still in the downtrend. So do the theta. The theta already break the falling wedge, not creating the in. Okay, if you want to buy theta the dip, I suggest you buy theta around the 0.7 or 0.8. That's the tip for the theta. I'm still waiting to buy the dip. Okay, I don't care if the price is going up or not because we are still in the middle of the crypto winter. We are still waiting the crash. We are still waiting until the maybe the August. The August maybe we can pump again, or maybe the late June we can pump again. So you can get like after hit this one, we are going up and down. Yeah, that's for me. I think you can do your own analysis. Remember that you need to do your research because I can be wrong and you can be true. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your comment. Thank you.